be replacing everything right here. Shower drain, toilet drain, the sink drain. I'm gonna break this floor a little bit bigger right now. Be able to access the drain line. And we're going to find this here to release the pipe that's encased in concrete. It's there. New pipe from this bathroom. The job will include final concrete. We're going to remove the rest of this marble for the gentleman and lady here, this family. This job here is going to be a little bit delayed, which should be a 5-day job. I would anticipate probably 6 to 7 days of work.